This is a 10-pound test, 300 yards, which is 0.27 millimeters. You know what? Looking over the back here, I can kind of go over this. It has high tensile strength, superior castability, low stretch, high abrasion resistant, and great for fresh water and salt water. Let me just show you what it looks. I love how they package this. That's a very nicely clean package. Let me just kind of like show you. Yeah, it's been QC passed, so we know it's been tested by somebody at least. So let me pull out some of it here and just show you what it looks like. It has this blue tint to it that kind of like blends in with the water, so it has a very nice blue tint to it. I do love the looks of this line. Let's just cut a piece of it off here. I don't know how well you can see it in the camera there, but this is some really good feeling line. I will be reeling up. I will be putting this on my bait caster and using it mostly for bass because I really like the monofilament on my, not my bait caster. I'll be using it on my spinning reel. So yeah, I just put some new line on my reel, so I will not be putting it on there right now, but I will be using this on my next one, and I will give y'all a follow-up on this. But right now, I'm really liking, look at that. That's tough. There you go, everybody. That's all I got with the KastKing, monofilament superior fishing line. See you all in the next video.